Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will solve the another Java problem. So let us write the problem statement. So you have to print pattern. Or you can write pattern like this. So you can write the pattern like this. So you have to write the pattern like this. So how can we achieve this? Let us write the code. So import java.util.star. So write the scanner as is equal to new scanner system.in. So in 10 is equal to. So here I'm taking 5. So that's why I'm writing 5. If you take 6, then it will come here 60. There will be another line up to 60. So I hope you understand what I'm writing. Just see dot next in. So now I'll write for loop starts with int I is equal to 1 and it should be travel up to n up to 5. So less than or equal to n. Why I'm writing equal to? Because I'm starting with 1. Because I'm starting with 1. If I start with 0, then I should write I less than n because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So count with your fingers. How many are there? 5. So if you start with 0, you have to write less than. If you start with 1, you have to write up to n. So after that, we have to write another for loop, nested loop. Int j is equal to 1. So int j is equal to 10. So it's starting from 10, right? So 10. So j less than or equal to, so 10 into I. So 10 into I plus equal to 10. So what I'm writing? So each time when when I is equal to 1, we have to print 110. So 10 have printed once after writing the whole code, you can understand. I'll explain. So system.out.print j plus slash t. So what is slash t? It will come on next line. Tab space. Sorry, tab space means you are giving some space between each numbers. So this space. So we are giving some space. Tab space. So after that, we have to print each and everything on next line. For that, I'm giving a simple println. So let us run this. Let's see what will happen. So let us give 5. See 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. So what I did is I'm starting with int I is equal to 1 up to 5. So I have given 5, right? So input 5. So when I is equal to 1, it will come here. And it's a is equal to 10. And j is equal to 10, right? So 10 less than or equal to 10. 10 less than or equal to 10 into I. What is the I value? 1. 10 into 1, 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. So is equal to is there. So 10 equal to 10. So 10 should be equal to 10 or 10 should be less than 10. So both the conditions passed here. So 10 is equal to 10. So that's why this condition passed and I have printed the 10. And again, I am incrementing. After that, I'm incrementing with 10 with 10. So 10 plus 10, what? 20. So 20 less than or equal to 10 into I. So 20 less than or equal to 10. No, this condition fails. Then again, it can come to here. So then I value will be incremented and I value will be again 2. So then it will be 2. So then again, this formula will be executed. 10. So 10 less than or equal to, now what is I value 2? So 10 into 2, 20. So 10 less than or equal to 20? Yes, I have printed 10. And after that, I am adding 10 to 10. So what is 20? 20 less than or equal to 20? Equal to, right? So I will print 20 like this 10. And again, after that, the 20 will be incremented with 10 and that j value will be 30. Then here the condition will fail and again it will come to here. So then this statement will be executed, and after that this statement will be executed. After that this statement will be executed. That's it, friends. Simple. So if you don't understand, please comment in the chat. I will explain it. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.